Yeah. What's up, everybody? Check it out. We've got some silver, just a couple packages here. Nothing crazy, but I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I'm building off on the side when it comes to my silver stack here. Personally, I've mentioned it before, I love the Perth Mint. Specifically, I love the Lunar series. So I've been trying to collect and build out the Series 1 Lunar coins, but I don't want to spend an arm and a leg for them. So those of you guys that are familiar with those, Series 1 Lunar coins are pretty rare, pretty limited mintages, and they're nice coins. They're very nice coins, but the problem is they're very expensive. So I always have my eye out for good deals, and this is one of those deals. So first thing is, put your comments down below if there's any series that you're trying to build out. Maybe you're doing Series 1, Series 2 Lunars just like me. Maybe you're building out something else. Maybe you're just looking for specific coins like the Anglehards. I like the Anglehards. That's another small series that I'm building out. So let's stop wasting time. Let's bust these things open. All right, so this one here was purchased on Instagram from a guy I follow on there. I've been following for a while. I've actually dealt with him before. Good deals, good deals. This one here was purchased on eBay, and that's the first one that we're gonna bust open. So let's go ahead, crack this open here. And I'm curious to know how many of you guys actually use Instagram as a marketplace. If you do, just tread carefully, be careful. Now this, like I said, was, what's that? All right, this was a eBay purchase. And oh man, let's take a look-see. Oh yeah. Now I purchased it because he had the capsule listed as damaged, but the coin is in mint condition. And from what it looks like, it does appear to be the case. So yeah, this had, you know, all the fractures and the damage in the actual capsule itself, but the coin, you know, the coin appears to be in good condition. Now, I don't want to open this up because I don't have my gloves with me, but it does appear that the coin is in good condition. All this, what looks like toning, is not toning around the coin. That's just damage on the actual capsule itself. But what we will do, we will definitely take this thing out at some point. We will check it out very closely. But this here is the Lunar 1 series half-ounce rabbit coin. It's a very nice coin. I dig this. I just dig the Lunar series. I think what they're doing is fantastic. This is just another little addition that I can put in here. I've got a few 1 ounces from this series and a couple of half ounces. So this is just another sweet little addition. So let's go ahead and bust open the one now. This is from Instagram. And let's see what we got here. Now this was a really good deal. I don't remember exactly what I paid, but it was very, very good. Make sure there's no personal information. It is not. All right. And bam, there we go. All right, you can see some of the stuff already there. All right, so the first thing here, we got the Year of the Snake. This is a Perth Mint. One of my faves, guys, one of my faves. The half ouncer, 2013. Like I said, guys, just trying to build them out slowly. There's no rush for me to build these out. I know the good deals will come along, so you just got to be patient. And then we've got the Dragon here. Same thing, Perth Mint, Lunar Series 2. This is 2012. I already have one of these, or actually I might have a handful of those, but the price was just too good to pass up. And then we've also got, this one was, I've been looking for a while, but the prices have just been a little too much. This is the 2-ounce Lunar Goat, 2015 Lunar Goat. I do not have the 1 ouncer of this. The premiums are just a bit way too much for me. But the 2 ouncer, I mean, I love the 2 ouncers. I love the 5 ouncers Perth Mint. I like just the size altogether of them. So this is a very cool addition. I think I spent, what was that, $2 over spot per ounce for this. So, I mean, you do the math on that. That's amazing. And then we got finally here the half ounce Year of the Goat. Alright, so we've got the half ounce, we've got the 2 ounce. I'm looking for that 1 ouncer at a very good price. So maybe you got one, send me a message, we'll figure something out there. Not looking to go spend a crazy ton of money because I know eventually I'll get it for the right price. So the Series 1 Lunars are just getting harder and harder to come by. If you guys do see these out there, it's worth your while to pick them up if you can get them at a good price. Most of these half ounces here are selling for like $30–40 in some cases, so it's absurd. But if you get them, hang on to them because they're definitely going to hold their value. Same thing with Series 2, not so much as the Series 1 Lunars. But the designs are getting better. The designs are getting better, so maybe that'll mean something. But the mintages are nowhere near like they were on the Series 1. So that's what I got for you guys today in this video. Hopefully you guys, you found this interesting. And if you did, smash that like button down below. Don't forget, guys, if you're already subscribed, there's a little bell icon down there. It'll just give you a little pop-up whenever I put a new video out or if I go live. I typically go live every single Wednesday. My new time now is going to be 7 p.m. Eastern, so make sure you're there to hang out and give away some cool stuff. And if you look, we're getting close to that 5,000 mark, so maybe, you know, soon we'll be having a very big giveaway. I don't know. We'll have to see what's coming up. But guys, that's it. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, everybody.